Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for clear and simple tech tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into Quinyx, a powerful cloud-based workforce management software that helps businesses schedule smarter, track time more efficiently, and boost team productivity. Whether you're a manager trying to build better shift schedules or a team member looking to understand how to clock in and track hours, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Quinyx. All I'm going to do is go to the top right corner if you want to log in using your credentials. You will be forwarded here. If you don't have an account yet, just go back to the main homepage because you can simply click the take a tour. You will be forwarded to a new page wherein if you want to, you need to book a demo. Provide all the information needed and one of the sales staff here in Quinyx will schedule a discovery call so that they can offer a tailored fit solution to your business needs. But if you don't want all of this and you just wanted to know more information about Quinyx, don't worry, we got you. Because what we can do is going to be... Now, you would notice that on the top corner, it offers the product, solutions, customers, pricing, resources, and customer hub, which we're going to discuss all of them so that we can know so much about Quinyx. Now, let's go to the product. As you can see, when you manage your workforce, you can plan and assign employee shifts efficiently. This feature helps you manage and create schedules quickly while making sure all necessary roles are covered. All right? Because for one, you see there's going to be the scheduling section. All right? The scheduling allows managers to create schedules that follow labor laws and internal policies like overtime rules, while also keeping labor costs within budget, which is kind of really handy. And of course, there's going to be the time and attendance. It tracks when employees clock in and out, monitors their attendance, and manages time off requests. All right. Of course, by doing so, employees can clock in and clock out via an app or device, so managers can approve or deny leave requests. This system integrates with payroll software to ensure accurate salary calculations. Of course, there's going to be the part of optimizing your business. Now, it uses AI to predict how many employees you'll need at different times based on historical data, weather, local events, to avoid over or understaffing. Okay? Now, in terms of the demand forecasting, it's going to be one of your accurate employee demand forecasting driven by AI, reducing risks, and of course, making efficient staffing decisions yet. And then there's going to be the labor optimization. So here, it creates schedules aligning staff with business needs, reducing manual effort, and ensures the right people are working at the right times. That means, you see, there's going to be an insight providing dashboards and reports that helps you understand patterns and reducing labor costs, employer productivity, and more, helping leaders make better data-driven decisions. Now, let's go to the Engage Your Frontline. There's going to be the Employee Hub, a centralized digital space for employees to view schedules, access company updates, complete tasks, and find useful resources. And of course, let's not forget the communications. It's a built-in tools for messaging and announcements that improve coordination and communication between team members and managers. All right, it redefines how frontline employees and managers connect, collaborate, and engage. Now, there's going to be the feedback and recognition, allowing managers and team members to give feedback and recognize achievements, helping boost employee morale and engagement. So let's go to the solutions. All right, so you have all these industry solutions for your retail, warehousing, and logistics, hospitals and QSRs, cultural and leisure until delivery. But what I'm going to do is skip all of these and go to the features itself. All right, because now let's go to the customers for all cases. Number one on the list for Quinyx is the retail, focusing on helping retail businesses manage large and often fluctuating teams across multiple store locations because it offers demand-driven scheduling based on foot traffic and sales forecasts. So, for example, if a fashion chain can optimize staff scheduling during seasonal sales or product launches, it offers real-time visibility into labor costs and productivity. Now, not only that, it also offers a section for the warehousing and logistics because Quinyx supports warehouse and logistics prep operations by aligning labor with shipment volumes and delivery. So you can have a shift planning based on delivery or inventory cycles. You have real-time communication, tools for updates and alerts. For example, a distribution center can ensure it has the right number of workers during peak inbound and outbound periods. Of course, let's look into the section 4, hospitality and QSR, or quick service restaurants. So it caters to hotels, restaurants, and fast food chains where staffing needs change rapidly. So for example, if a fast food franchise can automatically schedule more staff during lunch and dinner rushes, you can have predictive scheduling based on reservations and historical data because it has an integration with POS systems for sales-based staffing. All right. Now let's go over to the next section, which is going to be revolving around the facility management. Now, for companies that manage cleaning, maintenance, or security services across various client sites, Quinyx offers site-based scheduling and time tracking. For example, a cleaning services company can track staff attendance and across dozens of office buildings or retail locations, giving you an automatic workflows for recurring jobs. All right, it offers labor compliance and audit logs. Now, last is going to be the healthcare. You know that Quinyx addresses the complex schedule needs of healthcare providers such as clinics, hospitals, and home care services. So they offer skill and qualification-based scheduling, for example, nurse, doctor, and caregiver. If a hospital can balance staff availability with patient needs, ensuring adequate coverage in emergency or ICU departments, that means they can have real-time shift alerts and communication tools. Again, if you look into the pricing for Quinyx, you might want to notice that it has different pricing modules. Now, the pricing is not publicly available. All you have to do is schedule a demo so that they can offer a tailored fit solutions depending on your business needs, goals, and budget. And these are going to be some of the resources if you wanted to know more about Quinyx. One of the best is going to be the webinar, because these are on-demand videos that you can join if they have upcoming webinar events, and it's free. It's really free, absolutely at no cost. All you have to do is click this video right here and you'll be able to access the webinar library here at Quinyx with no cost. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our dive at Quinyx. If you're managing a team in retail, healthcare, hospitality, or any shift-based industry, Quinyx is definitely worth considering. Again, of course, like any software, it's not one size fits all, but if it fits your workflow, it could be a game changer. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.